Hi everyone, I'm Harsha. In this video, I'm going to walk you through my multi-agent AI system for planning a one-day adventure trips. I'll cover the problem, why agent matter, the architecture, and a quick demo. So my agent name is One Day Odyssey. So everyone can relate to how complex, surprisingly complex it can be when planning a one-day trip. So one has to juggle between weather, travel distances, activity safety, opening hours, local events, meal breaks, and personal preferences. So most trip planners focus on multi-day vacations, but here I try to tackle the problem where building one-day trip automatically in minutes with no manual research. So why agent? No single model can optimally handle all the moving parts, especially weather, logistics, meals, and so on. So using a multi or multiple specialized agents means each agent can focus on narrow task and the itinerary can be refined iteratively. The system becomes more accurate, modular, and explainable. The agents collaborate like a team, producing a more complete and reliable plan. So let me show the architecture. So as you can see on the screen, so the first thing is the user prompt. The based on the user location, the agent is the architecture has three phases. One is a skeletal phase where a single agent creates an initial timeline. It's just an empty placeholder with the start and end times. And then comes the iterative loop, which consists of the weather, city intelligence, activity selection, and the recompute agent, which runs multiple times, improving the itinerary with each pass. So finally, we have the finalization pipeline where I have included once the itinerary stabilizes without any conflicts in the plan, then comes the packing, meals, and the final summary agent that generates the finishing touches, polishes the itinerary. So in order to keep the structure stable, modular, and easy to expand. So let's quickly move on to the demo. So as you can see, I have defined all the agents. So the testing for the testing, as you can see, I've defined the loop agent and the sequential finalization agent. So yeah, let me run this simple prompt. I'm going to, suppose I'm in San Francisco and I want my agent to give me a trip plan with different activities and key places. So let me click on this play button quickly. So as you can see, the new session has been started. So yeah, so it has gone to weather agent and then the city intelligence agent where it fetches the key places, events, festivals that are happening in real time. So since I've given the prompt as different activities, so it will try to fetch all sorts of activities and try to make it as interesting as possible. So it is still running. As you can see, it has given me the all the packing items and it has gone through the meal agent. It gives me the local interesting cuisines of that place. The final summary agent has been generated. So as you can see, the final output is a beautiful summary where with a title, trip title as San Francisco Day Trip, Iconic Sights and Coastal Views. So here we can see the final itinerary. So the trip time starts at 9. So and as you can see there are no conflicts and you can see it has planned properly with the breaks in between, so it doesn't turn out to be a fatigue trip. The meals, you can see soda is a San Francisco staple, and something like burrito. And along with that, it has given me the all essential gears and items that I need to travel. And also it says that the current weather in San Francisco is 13 degrees Celsius and cloudy. So yeah, based on that, it has given me the important tips along with the well human readable final summary. Thank you.